Welcome, Cut the Crap crew. It's Steve again, and today, once again, I'm feeling annoyed. Now, this has started, I know you can hear it, this grinding, right? It started at, it was pretty late today. It was like 7:45 today. They've been starting at about 6 in the morning and ending at almost 6 at night. And this has been going on for 3 weeks now to put in laminate flooring over the top of tile, right? They didn't rip the tile up, but they're just putting laminate flooring in. Now, this is quite annoying to me because I've done a little bit of construction work. I'm not, super handy, but I've done some. I've remodeled a basement, things like that, and I've worked with multiple different things, concrete, tile. This project should not be taking 3 weeks. This is a couple of day project at best. They have had 3 to 6 guys in this apartment for 3 weeks now. We're on Friday of the 3rd week. You guys have been watching my feeds. You've seen this. This has been going on, right? This is an 1,100 square foot property, home, right? That they're putting this tile in, this flooring in. For a crew of 3 to 6 people every day, and I mean every day, through the weekend, over the holidays. We went, the only day that they did not in the last 3 weeks was Christmas Day. That's the only day they took off, right? So, the point of this is know your contractor. Research them, find them out, go and find referrals, and don't just talk to the last referral because they're probably just happy to be gone with them. Move on to the ones before that and before that. Find out what you can really expect. Find out the quality of the work, find out the length of the time, find out the cost. Did it come in above or below budget? All of those things are very important. Make sure you get referrals though, guys. Make sure you go out and you research and you find out and you actually talk to the people. And don't just take the ones that they give you, right? I mean, they're going to give you their best, their happiest, their buddies, the ones that they did a great job for. Really ask around the community. Talk to the real estate agents. They generally are in with contractors. They work with them on a regular basis. They can tell you who's good, who's not. And just really research. But this is just really frustrating to me because I feel like with the limited knowledge I have, I could have done it and be done with it by now. So, super annoying. We get little lulls now because they're almost, in theory, they're almost completed the project, so hopefully we won't hear it constantly anymore, but it's been pretty much constant grinding for 3 weeks. And that's the thing, right tool for the job, right? It is laminate flooring, it is kind of a tile type product, but they're not using a saw, they're using a grinder. And so instead of just a chop, done, it is all day grind. And I understand you need to grind out notches and pieces and rounding and things like that, but for the straight cuts, there is no reason they're using this tool. No reason. It's not efficient and it's not the right tool for the job. And so that's my thing for today. I just wanted to share, if you're going to get some work done in Costa Rica, aside from getting bids and asking a couple different places what they're going to do, make sure you research who you get. Make sure you follow it up with professionals who've hired them in the past, who've used them in the past, and check not just the quality, but the length, the cost. All of those things are going to come into play. So that's where we're at today at Cut the Crap and Move to Costa Rica. We're feeling a bit annoyed, and but we're going to work through it, and hopefully they are about done, and we'll be able to get back to some peaceful times here in our office on our porch. You saw yesterday I moved inside because I just couldn't take it anymore. Hopefully today we'll see how long I last out here before I have to pack it up and move inside to try and get some focus without the rattling of my brain with the sounds of constant grinding. Alright, well, that's where we're at today. Check your contractors, do some research, and make sure you know what you're getting. Hey, make sure you give us a comment down below. What's your experience with working with contractors in Costa Rica or anywhere really? What are some tips you might have? And hey, let's get in on the conversation. Make sure you give us a like and a follow and hit the subscribe button. If you're on YouTube, make sure you ring the bell. Make sure you follow on Facebook so you can get the notifications of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you next time. Hope it helped.